Hello. Hello mga kablog. Once again, this is Kevin Howard Calpo. Eme. Jai. So, by the way guys, outfit check tayo ngayon. Outfit check, earrings from CSI 100. Ang ganda damit. Rubian Balquedra, Rubian Ringor Balquedra, and also baka naman Jojo Bragais. Jojo Bragais, baka naman Santo Sirano. Eme. Jaya. By the way, I'm stranded here at Ice Cream House once again. Kasi pupunta ako ng San Francisco. Dumating yung pinsan ko na galing Manila. Shoutout kay Geraldine Viduya, Eme, Kasjay. Thank you for watching, Sir Alvin Doctolaro. Shoutout kay Hailin Kana, Henry, Eme, Kasjay. Thank you for watching, General Jane. Also live update tayo. Thank you for my 5,000 million viewers. Eme, Kasjay. Okay, once again guys, if you're watching my live, just hit the like and share button. Also comment down below if you want to have a shout out. And also, don't forget to subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, Kevin Capo. Eme, Kasjay. Thank you for watching. Erwin Villanueva de Guzman from Middle East. Eme, Kasjay. By the way guys, ang lakas ng ulan. Kaya tayo sumilong kasi baka dumami tayo. Okay, thank you for watching once again. A teacher in profession, Mr. Jason Dalaw. Eme, Kasjay. Ang Geraldine na lang ako ka yun. Kasi nasa 45 pieces lang ka tayo, 50 pieces. May umorder ka agad na tag 10. Okay, live update tayo. We have 6,000 million viewers. Eme, Kasjay. Bangga outfit mo sis. Love the color, yeah. Very Latina. Kuha na din. Ingat ka, Jai, papanamkam. Sa una pa nakikasisin ko, sir. Okay, ang bilis naman ng viewers natin. 11,000 million viewers from 6,000. Oh my God. Eme, Kasjay. Thank you for watching, Eliza Estalila. Once again, guys, okay, mga kablog, just hit the like and share button. And also, if you want to comment down below if you want to have a shout out. Kulakmanan. Don't forget to subscribe and follow my YouTube channel, Kevin Calpo. Eme, Kasjay. Thank you for watching, Jennifer. Jojo Bragais, baka naman. Jojo Bragais. Sira na po yung sandal ko. Jojo Bragais, baka sana naman mapapansin mo ako. Size 40, pang bading. Eme, Kasjay. Thank you for watching, Christopher Calpo Viduya, Christopher Ayan Mau. Hindi na ginuman na palagman data. Okay, by the way, sa mga loyal customers natin, kahit umulan po, pampasalubong, pampatinis pagkatapos kumain, tara na sa Ice Cream House. Eme, Kasjay. Shoutout sa mga crew ng Ice Cream House, Ate Julie, Kuya Pogi. O, diba? Say hi. Eme, Kasjay. Thank you for watching, Rogelyn Bansifra. Nagpisa tudo. Alam mo, sobrang lakas ng ulan. Tapos basa ka. Yung sa ulan ka na lang nababasa. Kasya nagpisa tudo. Thank you for watching, Kylene Gabay, Alabaso Camarillo. Dawa pa nakati Kylene na panak ni Lula. Well, thank you, sis. Thank you for watching also, Ronald Gallardo. Punta ko kayo na dyan, Ronaldine. Bukas pabalik ako dyan. Magbebenta ako ng for tomorrow's menu is lumpiang gulay, 5 piso, unang kagat, gulay agad. Kasyay. Thank you for watching, Jairo Links, Tabel Lumage. Okay, shoutout natin yung pinaka-pogi ko. Tawag ito, inaanak, Jairo, Links, Tabelon, Lumage, Kasjaya. Thank you for watching, Lestrino Alejana, Alenaj. No, mga 5 bata ko pumunta dyan kayo na be. Nakadubing di albay, maumaak. Kala mo na pakturin. Okay, oh my God, live update tayo. We have 16,000 million viewers. Oh my God, it was reaching 17,000 million viewers. Kasjay. Hoy, Tinatoy. Ay, sorry, Tintin. Shoutout na yung friend ko nga taga Middle East, Christine Tabelon. Kasjay. Thank you for watching this Sabio. Also, Daisy Sabio on Judak Box. Nakalako ka, of course. Nakalako ka dito rin ko. Bukas pala, guys, ang menu natin for tomorrow is lumpiang gulay, unang kagat, gulay agad. Kahit walang suka, masarap. Kasjay. Thank you for watching, Audrey Morales. Same as well, Jardine Vergara, Caponita, and also Josie Carion, Balderas, Kunakmanan. If you're watching my live for this video, just hit the like and share button and comment down below for a shout out. And don't forget to follow and subscribe my YouTube channel, Kevin Calpo. Kasjay. Unang kagat, papragad, no? No! Unang kagat, gulay agad. Thank you for watching, my cousin from Picawayan, North Cotabato, Klein, Bolneo. Kasjay. Same as well to my friend Genesis Bitabit. Thank you for watching. Katno ka man nagla ko turon B. Ako 2,000. Please, haha. Sige, go. Bukas kasi sloop yung gulay tayo. Thank you for watching also Zitroli Ortiz, my friend na nasa. Nice to see you. Kasjay. Thank you for watching Nikki Gomez. Nagajag patulod. Ano tricycle driver tayo. Nalakalaang. Singir na. Depende na pindas ka. Kasjay. Sa isakat. Thank you, Manong. Ito, dakon.
Ito ma, ito. Malapay.
Thank you ba? Uy,
Talaga ko.
ising ko na lang. Diyan na ba ba?
Jay,
Diyo ba lang?
ito pa nga.
Diyo ba lang? Pero, ko ang arko. Ibang diri lang ngayon.
Tarpo, dayo niya, yung tarpo, yung palukan.
Ang palata na, ginanti ko nga hindi pakitlaw. Hindi ko raw saan.
Ajay lang.
Wait.
Damdaman ko rin.
Okay, thank you for watching Jamsi Cortez Australia. He is watching from North Carolina. Jamsi, Kasjay. Thank you for watching Nikki Gomez. Would be to the best. Thank you also for watching Janice Manesse. How much should on? Lahat po ng benta ko is tag 5,000. 5,000 lang po yung turon or lumpiang gulay. Thank you for watching for my schoolmate and batchmate from St. Mary's Academy, Agola, Union. The only Catholic school here in Ago. Mr. Engineer Sedi Guado. Eme. Kasjay. Agrelabs ba lang? Okay, backtrack lang tayo. Thank you for watching Jerby Rivera. Same as well my teacher at Don Mariano Amaro State University, South London Campus, the College of Computer Science, Miss, the sexiest, prettiest, gorgeous, and fabulous Clarissa. Thank you for watching also Moods. Also, thank you for watching Melin and also Rioja. Pasig mo, tagad yung. Thank you for watching also Rhea, Verena, Eme, Kasjay. Sa isakak. My outfit one, ate, thank you for my outfit. Sponsored by my Karuba, Rubian Balcadran, Veronica Ringor. Mga panakinik, Ma'am Clarissa, panakinik ko kasi sinkog pa inom ka no.
Ay na, Rhea, biro ka mata na dyan. Outfit check ko, nag-backtrack.
Nga, nabanlug ako. One mga ito, palda ito ma'am, palda. Skirt.
Eme. Kasjay.